Part of the myHarkness platform, the myHarkness Planner helps users to quickly overcome complex mathematical calculations, deriving accurate data on screen and frame specification. From physical screen curvature and tilt, through to specifying the physical sheet size, the myHarkness Planner is an ideal tool for ensuring that these key elements are correct prior to the project getting on site. Getting these calculations right can help to prevent potentially costly delays or mistakes from occurring. Sounds great, doesn't it? Let's take a look at those calculations in more depth. Unlike the myHarkness calculator and modeler, the planner has a set of independent functions that perform specific calculations, but the data created across the rest of the workflow in the calculator or modeler still plays an important part. We're going to work on the basis that you've already created a configuration in the myHarkness calculator or modeler. However, you can of course start your work in the myHarkness planner and simply fill in the fields required. The first calculation is screen curve, which allows users to quickly determine the curve depth and the radius of the curve based on the width of the screen and the percentage of the curve. The screen size calculation is the most complex and potentially useful in the planner. For the first time in the workflow process that either started in the calculator or the modeler, we're calculating the actual screen size. Simply select the frame type, add in the inner frame dimensions, the screen curve and select how the screen will be fixed to the frame, and the planner will provide you with a finished screen size which also accounts for horizontal and vertical stretch in the material. With screen tilt, the physical distance of the tilt, either forwards or backwards, can be identified. By entering the screen height and the angle of tilt required, the physical measurement will be displayed on screen. The picture size and format size calculations are handy reference checks to help ensure that your designated screen size matches picture sizes based on common flat and scope aspect ratios. The screen weight calculation enables those designing and building screen frames to calculate the weight of the screen and determine the structural load placed on the frame. And finally, the screen distance calculation is designed with viewing experience in mind. Based on the width of the screen, a minimum distance to the front row of seating is displayed. This minimum distance helps to remove poor viewing experiences for those sat closest to the screen. With the calculations complete, users can either save the configuration for further project work, or return to the main menu. As you can see, the myHarkness Planner is great for overcoming complex mathematical calculations. It's the perfect tool to complete your project workflow ahead of ordering a screen.